From an idiot in a Mustang who pulled out in front of a speeding truck, and a clueless driver that nearly caused a terrifying accident, to a teenager in Thailand that really didn't want to be caught by police, and much more. Here are amazing moments caught on Dashcam. This driver got so scared when this truck hit his car out of nowhere.
Me daba 700 por el building porque son duples.
Sí.
Ah, señor. Y se va a ir.
Just because you're bigger, it doesn't mean you can do whatever you want.
Sorry, but he pulled right out. The truck pulled right out.
I know this is a turn-only lane, but don't you see a huge truck coming your way?
Hell.
Stupid.
Chaos ensues when these guys really don't want to yield for each other.
Is this for real right now? What a idiot, dude.
Are you off in the glass?
I would camp if it wasn't 8 degrees outside.
Well, you could,
You can sleep in your car.
So why don't you?
Because
You don't care
you have
about
to pay for a parking spot, and then you have to warm the car.
So why don't you? You don't care about the parking spot. I'm just wondering why 200.
Drivers like this one are why a lot of people are afraid of driving cars.
Whoa!
Oh my gosh.
Let's get that. Let's record that one. Holy cow, I almost hit her. She turned right into me.
You could have in a car.
Yeah.
If this happened to me, I would honk my horn even longer.
Camera! Camera! Fuck you! Camera!
Angry people should be prohibited from driving big cars like these.
Like a serious mess. So second place is Antonio Brown, third place is Karen, fourth place, he's been doing a lot of ads. I see him in a lot of ads these days. He's my wife's favorite.
This driver thinks the whole entire world has to stop for him.
Oh.
That sucks.
You should put. Ó, você agarrou.
Стрелять, наверное. Стрелять! Передавай, что на шапок. Давай, передавай, что стрелять будем.
Внимание!
dispatch, 59, 35, 33. Watch out!
This is all for today's video. If you like this, make sure to subscribe for more epic videos like this one. See you next time.